Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today with a new video without further ads. Let's start the video. Today we will take about Guose house, mobile house, tiny house, Prefab house, Tyler house. How much are tiny house mobile? The average cost of a tiny house is a reasonable $30,000 from $60,000. Although they can cost as little as 8,000 or up to $150, depending on the amenities your choice to include. It is typical chapter to build a tiny house than to buy one per bit, but don't get too set up in the savings. What is the largest mobile tiny house? The Denali XL is the largest tiny house from the Craft tiny house brand. The 400 square foot house feels like a mansion amidst other tiny house attributing to its design and space efficiency. This large tiny house on wall has tall ceiling and powered screen inside the 319 foot living space. What countries in Georgia allow tiny houses? Since there is no statewide law regulating tiny houses, they are allowed throughout the state. Most major cities in Georgia allow tiny houses, including Atlanta, Columbus. How much is a tiny house in Texas? Each factor was weighted and ranked on a 25-point scale. For Texas, the key data points are cost and income. An average tiny house in Texas cost 48,120, and the median income is 64,034. Do tiny house hold their value? Do tiny house depreciate in value? They sure do. Like we said before, the market for tiny houses is a lot smaller than the market for full-size family homes. If your tiny house is built to sit on whites, it is depreciated in value just like the track you pull it with. What is the max square foot average for a tiny house? The houses can rank from 16 square feet up to 400 square feet when built on a trailer. Of course, you can build a bigger if you build on a foundation. Typically, your tiny house can be up to 8 feet wide inside, so your large will be the main variable that impacts square footage. What are three negative features of a tiny house? Disadvantaging disadvantages of tiny house. Less living space. A tiny house does not have room for a full-size luxury kitchen or bathroom. Less stage space, limited entertaining capacity, zoning rules, financing. What is it called a mobile house? It was derived from the travel trailer, often referred to during the years as house trailers or trailers crosses, a small unit with wheels attached permanently, often used for camping or extended travel. The original reaction for this type of housing was its mobility. How much does a mobile home cost in Ireland? Their price range of a module home is from 20,000 to over 100,000 depending what is your and are looking for. How much is a mobile home in Texas? The average cost of a site-built home in Texas is currently listed as 260,000 in compression module homes. Mobile homes and manufacturers homes can be custom built for anywhere from um, 50 $55 to 75 per square foot, bringing the tools cost to approximately $1,017. How long do mobile homes last? 30 to 55 years, while the average expectancy of a mobile home is 30 to 55 years. You can still outlet that number. This is best done if you ensure the installation is done properly, choose the right location, and generally adhere to maintenance practices. What are the disadvantages of living in a mobile home? The cons of living in a mobile home. The stigma: will people think less of us? I may go down in value. Traditionally, mobile homes have been thought to go down in value, but this has not necessarily been the case in recent years. You may have to pay lot rent. Financing is different from a traditional mortgage. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe.